At first glance, this looks like a typical add, subtract, mixed numbers problems, but once you get into it, you see you run into a few different situations. So let's go ahead and make it to a vertical problem because I just like seeing it that way. And let's take a look and see what we can do. You know, it looks like we could go ahead and subtract the whole numbers, but it's when we start comparing the fractions that we have this problem. We've got a 2 on top and a 4 on bottom. I'm not going to go through and make this into a negative fraction. Technically we could, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we're just going to use borrowing, okay? So let's go ahead and borrow from 18, and that'll make it 17. And we've borrowed 1 from it. So what's 1? 5 over 5, because this has a denominator of 5, so this is how we'll write the 1, 5 over 5. Now we can add it together. What's 2 plus 5? It's 7/5. So right here I'll just write 7/5, and I'll write 4/5 right here just so that way I can line it up vertically, and 7 plus 4 is 11/5. 17 minus 14 is 3. And then same thing we looked at on previous lessons. This is a improper fraction, so now we just have to make that into a mixed number. 5 goes into 11 2 times with 1 left over. So now it's 3 plus 2 and 1/5. Final answer, 5 and 1/5. Seems like a lot of difficulty to go through just to get one answer, but that's what we're asking you to do today. Let's go through and take a look at these 2 practice and check problems. Hit pause, work them out, hit play when you're ready. Okay, let's stack it up vertically. That should work. And let's just go ahead and stack this one up too. All right. So you'll notice right away that we don't have common denominators, so we need to go ahead and do that for both of them. Might as well. Because a lot of times you won't notice that you're going to run into difficulties that you already have. So this is going to become 3/9, and that's when we see, oh look, we've got this issue here. Okay. So let's go ahead and borrow from 16, and that becomes 15. And we'll make this 9 over 9, and we can just add that together. And so this will become 12/9. Let's go ahead and bring this on over. We'll make this one still 7/9. Let's subtract it. This finally equals 5/9, and 15 minus 4 is 11. Okay, let's go ahead and make this one into common denominators. This is going to be 16 over 44. This is going to be 33 over 44. And that's when we see we've got the issue. So let's go ahead and borrow 1. So we can add the 1 onto this one, and we get 60 over 44. Let's go ahead and bring this on over so now we can subtract vertically. 60 minus 33 is 27 over 44. 399 minus 300 is 99, and that should be our final answer.